Look at this, guys. Look at this. Downtown Bridgeport, Alabama. That's the same one Shaveville. I just realized that. Dude, this is the same one Shaveville. I just realized that, guys. This one's the Quantities Valley Railroad line. Yeah, this is the Quantities Valley Railroad line. Here it is. Let's look at things. Oh, look at that train. There's no train over. There's no train over there. There's two trains somewhere. There's no train over there, I guess. Yeah, I see it moving over there. Yeah. I see a locomotive right there. No one right there. There it is. Norfolk Southern. Let me get over here. I'll be able to see it over here. There it goes. So there's train going past Bridgeport Museum, downtown Bridgeport, Alabama. Wow. What an awesome trip, guys. We're probably gonna get an answer to Pittsburgh and try to head back to familiar areas. We don't know where the hell we're at right now. We're in downtown Bridgeport, Alabama. Beautiful mountains. Hey, look at the museum, the railroad museum. Yep, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Quite the road. Thank you. Thank you for the horn show. Hello. Got a horn show, guys. It's awesome. It's awesome work here. 2 trains on 2 different lines. He gave me a horn show, guys. Let's freaking go. There's the. Oh, never mind. Wow, what a great day, guys. What a great freaking day. Is that the end? There's the end. Some action on Sequatchie Valley Railroad in Bridgeport, Alabama. There goes that Norfolk Southern train. There it goes, guys.